As a user of Maptitude, you may have maps that you would like to share with others in your organization who do not have a desktop version of Maptitude. With the Maptitude Online subscription, you can upload your desktop maps to Maptitude Online and make them accessible to anyone on your team. For example, here I have a map that contains the locations of all my customers, the locations of my stores, and travel time bands indicating the areas 0 to 10 minutes and 10 to 20 minutes from the stores. I have also created a report that contains the map and demographics for the travel time bands, including the number of customers and total sales for each of the time bands. I want my sales team to have access to the results of this analysis by sharing the map and report with them in Maptitude Online. To upload a map, choose Online, Upload to Maptitude Online, enter your credentials, and click Login. First, enter a name for the map. Then choose the layers that you want to upload by checking boxes in the Upload column. I want to upload the stores, the customers, and the drive time ring, so I'll leave those 3 boxes checked. If any reports exist for a layer, leave the box checked in the Report column to upload those as well. For each layer you choose to upload, you can choose what fields to include. For example, the customer layer will include the name, address, and sales data, but I don't need the geocoding precision field, so I will drop that field and click OK. Similarly, I do not need to include every demographic overlay field for the drive time rings, so I'm going to highlight these fields and drop them as well. Also note that if you have filtered selection sets for a layer, you have the option of uploading all features or just the filtered features by choosing from the drop-down list in the selection column. Once you've chosen the layers, records, and fields you want to share, click Upload. Maptitude adds the map to your Maptitude Online dashboard. Here you can see a card with the map that I just uploaded, along with any other maps that I may have previously uploaded. I can share the map with other Maptitude Online subscribers in my organization by choosing Share from this menu, and then either specifying specific users here or by choosing a team here. So, for example, if I want to share with the sales team members, I can choose the sales team and click Share. Those users can then log in with their subscriptions and they will see the same map card in their map dashboard. Alternatively, I can share a map publicly with a unique URL by choosing Publish from this menu and choosing one of the Publish options. If I open the map and click on a customer, store, or drive time ring, you will see the data for all the fields that I chose to upload with the map. For example, here's data about this customer, and here are the demographics and customer data for the 10 to 20 minute drive time ring. And if I click the Report button, I can choose to see the report that was also uploaded. And that wraps up this tutorial on sharing your desktop maps with Maptitude Online. See the separate videos on using Maptitude Online to learn more about working with Maptitude Online maps and creating maps directly within Maptitude Online.